To fix Prizepicks errors. Start by understanding the common types of errors that occur on the platform. These can range from login issues to problems with placing picks. The first step is to check your internet connection, as a stable connection is essential for using the platform. Next, ensure you are using the latest version of the Prizepicks app or website, as outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Clearing your browser cache or reinstalling the app can often resolve these problems. If you are experiencing login issues, verify that your username and password are correct and try resetting your password if necessary. It is also important to check if your account has been suspended or restricted, which can prevent you from accessing the platform. For errors related to placing picks, check that you have sufficient funds in your account and that the market you are trying to place a pick on is not suspended or closed. Ensure you are following the correct format for entering your picks, as incorrect formatting can lead to errors. To troubleshoot more complex issues, contact Prizepicks customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance on resolving specific errors and offer troubleshooting steps tailored to your situation. Best practices for avoiding Prizepicks errors include regularly updating your app or browser, monitoring your account activity, and being cautious when entering pick details. By following these steps and staying informed, you can minimize errors and have a smoother experience on the Prizepicks platform. Ultimately, fixing Prizepicks errors requires patience, attention to detail, and a willingness to troubleshoot and seek help when needed. By understanding the common causes of errors and taking proactive steps to prevent them, you can enjoy a more seamless and successful experience on the platform.